All right. How many whole numbers less than 1,000 are odd and greater than 500, or multiples of 5 and less than 200? So we're starting to get situations where these numbers are getting larger. The situations are getting a bit more complex. And so we're going to use cases in here. All right, let's have a look. How many whole numbers less than 1,000 are odd and greater than 500, or multiples of 5 and less than 200? So let's have a look at that in its entirety. How many odd numbers are there between 500? Because we're going to go odd and greater than 500. So how many odd numbers are there that are greater than 500 and that? So there is 250 odd numbers between 500 and 1,000. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to look at, or multiples of 5. So there are 40 multiples of 5. Oh, and it's less than 200. Less than 200. And we will include 0. Okay. So we've got that many. All right. Well, total equals 250 plus 40, which equals 290. There you go. Question B is saying how many whole numbers less than 1,000 are odd and greater than 200. So how many are there? There is 400 odd numbers between 200 and 1,000. So it's basically just half that. And there are 100 multiples of 5 less than 500. Okay. There is a bit of a difference though. This case up here had no overlaps. This one does have overlaps. So where are we going to find the overlaps? Well, we've got to look in between 200 and 500 and see what the overlaps are. So how many numbers that are odd are between 200 and 500? Well, there's 150 of them. 150 odd between 200 and 500, of which 30 are also multiples of 5. So in this particular case, our total is going to be 400 plus 100, but we've got to subtract that 30 because they're doubled up. So that gives us a grand total of 470. And done.